Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Do you ever face this issue with your water heater? Water started to leak here. So this is actually a free fix. You do not need to buy anything to fix this water leakage issue. So let's get started. Now before we get started, switch off the water and power supply. Then I'm going to undo this socket, loosen it out, turn to your left side, right hand grip rule, right? Then make sure you don't lose this O-ring there. You push it out, okay, gently push it out. Keep this O-ring and then this socket. Then you carefully inspect this hose. I have a Bibury multi-tool strapped onto my waist. I'm going to remove it from the pouch, and then I'm going to cut off this portion of the hose because the hose has actually expanded after a few years of usage. I'm going to use a scissors, probably a knife to cut that portion of the hose, or since I have a serrated blade, I like serrated blade. I'm going to use serrated blade to actually make an incision here. So I'm going to cut all the way till the end, and then I'm going to use the knife to trim off the remaining or the excess length. Okay, so this is how the serrated blade work in action. I'll bring you closer, and there you go. So easy. I mean, probably because the serrated blade is really sharp, that's why you can cut through the plastic holes easily. To keep it, press on this unlock button, and then look for the scissors. There, this is scissors, spring-loaded scissors. So you got to make sure it's locked in, right? Then you can have the scissors to cut this hose. We actually cut through the hose effortlessly. So easy. There you go. So convenient if you have this strap onto your waist, right? Done. Oh, then I realized the edges is not really flat edges. So I need a file to actually smoothen the surface. So where's my file? There you go. So this is the file, diamond file. They are two-sided. I think I use the rough surface. And then what you need to do is actually smoothen it out by eye. Then there you go. Press on this release button. Keep it. Then assemble them opposite way, like how I disassembled this just now. Remember to keep your O-ring. Make sure your O-ring, keep it there. Tighten it. Test it out. No more leakage. Easy task. I can also use this scissors to actually remove label from the bottle, and then release unlock button to keep this scissors, followed by the knife. Okay, it's really handy, really convenient if you have a multi-tool in your bathroom, isn't it? So there you go. This is a knife. You don't worry that it will get rusty, because it will not. It's made out of stainless steel. So easily you can remove this tiny aluminum seal. Remember to actually clean it after use. You do not want to have any dirt. Keep it in the toilet if you want, or put it back into the pouch. If you like this kind of video, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.